This is what Chinese cities usually look like this time of year. Thick smog blanketing the skyline. But this year, there's something different in the air. Blue skies. In several Chinese cities, the air pollution has improved. Especially Wuhan, the original epicenter of the deadly coronavirus. The face masks many Chinese used to wear to filter out polluted air, now worn to protect against the virus. NASA and the European Space Agency released satellite images from January showing Wuhan's nitrogen dioxide levels, and the dramatic drop in February after 11 million people there were quarantined.
CO2 emissions for the past 4 weeks are down by at least 25% because of the measures to contain the coronavirus.
For the world's biggest polluter, that could mean a drop of 200 million tons of carbon dioxide.
This is more dramatic than anything else that I've seen in terms of the impact on emissions. But of course, the impact on people's lives and the economy was equally dramatic.
The Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air says coal consumption at fired power stations saw a 36% drop compared to last year. Their research also shows carbon emissions from the aviation industry plunging due to falling demand and widespread travel restrictions. But Greenpeace says improved environmental conditions may be temporary if China ramps up industrial output to boost the economy.
The political attention of the Chinese leaders will be distracted in the short term, to clamp down the outbreak of the coronavirus, and that might distract them from other important social economic issues, including the need to fight climate change.
In neighboring Hong Kong, air quality has also improved as the virus triggered partial shutdown.
There are lots of people who work from home, and that reduced the traffic volume and reduced the traffic congestion.
Activists like Patrick Fung have been warning about the long-term impact of air pollution in his home city for years. His Clean Air Network released this dramatized public health warning.
There's a 1,500 premature deaths 1 year alone in Hong Kong that is caused by air pollution.
Now Fung says this brief period of clean air should be a wake-up call.
If we want the children, the elderly who could live healthily in Hong Kong, then we should think about how to make business as usual to change.
There's nothing business as usual about a global epidemic that's claimed thousands of lives. But in the short term, this public health crisis for humans may actually be helping the environment.